How to make your home a swipe right worthy to ensure a closing made in real estate heaven. First impressions are everything. Professional photos are non-negotiable. Most buyers are likely only looking at your house for a maximum of 30 seconds until they scroll away. If your photos don't grab their attention in that short amount of time, there's a good chance they'll never look at your listing again. Honestly, it is the best policy. Online matchmaking services ask a ton of detailed questions for a reason. Your honest reply gives your best chance of finding the best match. Same is true when listing your home. Between the seller's disclosures and the listing details, double checking that everything is correct is critical to ensure a match made in MLS heaven. Communication is key, so then swipe right. Now what? When it comes to making a showing request or asking questions, buyers need to feel confident in the responses that they receive. The agent representing you and your home should have a reputation for being great to work with among other agents. Timely, thorough responses build trust with potential buyers, increasingly the likelihood of them making an offer. Don't over-filter your profile. Put your best foot forward and don't make yourself or your home look so much better in real life than people are actually disappointed when they see it in person. Dress your home up to present it in the best light, and don't go too heavy on the room sprays or candles or photo editing. Save this reel to use these tips when you're listing your home. If this is the first time to our channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad about living in Columbus, Ohio and the Columbus, Ohio real estate market, then please subscribe. Tap the bell for notifications so you could be the first to know about the current market and what's going on in Columbus, Ohio. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help to make their move to Columbus, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're going to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email so we can help you make that smooth move to Columbus or any of the suburbs of Central Ohio. We are your go-to team to help. We are in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.